Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to power on and off your iPhone without using the buttons on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to power on or power off your iPhone without using the side button of your iPhone, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find the power icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now just tap on it. And after you tap on the power icon, you will find the power menu on the screen. But for some reason, if you cannot find this icon in your control center, you can do the same thing from settings. For this method, just open settings, then tap on general. And from here, you will find the option of shutdown. Just tap on it and you will open the power menu. Now to power off your iPhone, just slide this slider to the right side. And after doing that, you will power off your iPhone. Now if you want to power on your iPhone, just plug in your iPhone to charge. Now as your iPhone starts charging, it will reboot automatically. And this is how you can power on and off your iPhone without using the power button on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.